Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is AKWI'S. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple way to install your frontal wig without using glue. First, I'll go in with my wax stick and slick my hair to the back. Then I'll go in with my hot comb and hot comb the hair to the back. When I'm done, I'll go ahead and lift my lace up. Then I'll come in with my got-to-be spray. I'll spray my hairline. Next, I'll come in with my blow dryer and blow dry the got-to-be spray. Let it be slightly sticky. Now that it's slightly sticky, I'll go ahead again the second time with my got-to-be spray. I will use my blow dry again to blow dry it slightly sticky. Now that my hair is slightly sticky, I'll go ahead and bring down my lace. With my rat tail comb, I'll go in and press my hair into the slightly sticky spray. Press your hair down real good. Don't be scared. To make the process real fast, you can use your blow dryer and press it while blow drying it. Then I'll go ahead now and cut my lace into 3. I'm using my razor to cut it. When you're cutting your lace, please don't cut it straight. Cut it in a staggered motion. I'll be back when I'm done cutting. I've cut the first part. I'll go ahead and cut these other ones. Then I'll come back. Now that I'm done cutting my lace, I'll go ahead. If you can see, I still have some spaces here and at the sides. So I'll go ahead and use my got-to-be spray one more time and spray the hairline to lock it in. So I'll go in one more time. Now I'll be using my rat tail comb, but the tail right at this time. I'll press it forward. To make the process go faster, while pressing it, I will use my blow dryer. And lock it in. Guys, this is the end result. I've installed my frontal wig without using glue. So make sure you try it and give me your feedback. And if you are new here today, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. And thank you for to my returning subscribers. Please let love reign. Show some love and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.